Hello everyone, my name is Matt Glass and welcome to my course, Manage Suricata Rule Sets and Rule Sources. I'm an IT project manager at Leidos, working in Stuttgart, Germany. Suricata is an open source intrusion detection, inline intrusion prevention, and network security monitoring engine. Suricata is developed and maintained by the Open Information Security Foundation, a community-run nonprofit foundation. In this course, we're continuing the Suricata path, focusing on rule set and rule source management within Suricata. We'll use tools to automate the rule set management process and test rule sets against example traffic. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include understanding Suricata rule sets and rule sources, leveraging suricata-update to manage rule sets and sources, examining rule set effects using PCAP replay, and scheduling automatic updates using cron. By the end of this course, you'll be able to manage rule sets and sources using suricata-update and evaluate their effects. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic computer networking concepts, using a Linux command line interface, and operating Suricata on a Linux server. Or you can complete the Suricata Getting Started course first. I hope you'll join me on this journey to continue learning Suricata with the Managed Suricata Rule Sets and Rule Sources course at Pluralsight.